How do I go? This thing is mental. When you see the red in person, it's so clean.
GBX on this motherfucker.
Mental, man. Oh, he's brave. He is brave. That is a small play. And he just had it flipped. He clocked last minute. Ah, it's alright, it's a woman driver. Alright, we're safe, lads! He must be going to the same ride out. Oh, meant to be leaving the pre-ride meetup spot at 5:30, and I get there apparently at 5:30. Problem is, my ABS is on. Should we bust this myth right now? Someone said, off-road ABS is only ABS in the front. That's what I thought. That would make sense, wouldn't it? On this bike, nah. Off-road ABS just another thing on the screen. Just I don't know what the f it means. But I can't lock unless my bike's got something wrong with it. I can't lock the rear wheel on off-road ABS. Oh, here it is. That's taking me to some mate's house. Should I do a dramatic skid? Are you not going to this meetup? Yeah. Oh, you are? So am I. Yeah. But I don't see anyone here that I saw there last week.
Well, we weren't on last week. We weren't.
Oh, no, I mean the last time I went down there, it must have been like 2 weeks ago.
They'll be there. Huh? Oh, yeah. We'll leave about 1:45. The first question, are you gringo?
I am, yeah. Yeah, you're right, mate. Alright. Not sure this is the ride out I was expecting. What I was told is rolling cameras, photo shoots, and I've just come down here for this. I must have misunderstood. My brain must have been in Portuguese mode or some shit. I come here to get free. Seen that, what is it? It's that like legend scene.
I come here for a fucking shootout.
I come here for some fucking wheelies.
Like a western.
We'll see what we can squeeze in. Don't give us the horn! Alright, what bikes we got then? Oh, I won't be doing that, mate. You go out, you crack on. Can't do them junction overtakes. Are we in a rush or what, lads? I'm trying to cruise. We're separating the pack. Oh, shit.
Guys, I just wanted to go over this quickly in case there's any beginners watching. So as you can see on the right side of the road, there's a yellow car that's about to pull out, which is why I've rolled off throttle. I've got a little bit of front brake on, and I do have time to move back over to the left if I need to. If this car's going left, so coming towards me in his lane, he's not expecting someone to be coming towards him in his own lane. You know, I'm on the wrong side of the road. So even if he's checked, there's a good chance that he could have missed it. We're on bikes. The driver's not expecting it. So keep this in mind, guys. Ride smart, and let's get back to the video.
That's why I'll say, oh shit. Start doing dumb shit. I hope one of these don't know the way, because I don't know where the f we're going. I ain't trying to play cat and mouse down these sketchy lanes at rush hour. Is that Copperweight DV bikes I see there? Hello lads! What's that? It's a 26 plate? It's a 26 plate? No, it's 25. Oh, tell you what. Saves me blurring anyone doing illegal activities. Where's my phone? Oh. Shout out, quad lock. Oh, it's the R1300. And it's the Super Adventure. Oh, I feel to just stop in there and have a pint. I was meant to meet a good friend of mine I ain't seen in a long time. He's one of the, that's the way I came last time. One of the first people I met when I started doing this whole YouTube thing. He had a Ducati, he had an 899 Panigale back then, and now Well, he's had it a couple years now, his new bike, and that's a Ducati Panigale V4 or I think it's just the V4. I say just the V4, I mean I don't think there's any other letters on the end of it. That ain't gonna flash me, is it, if I do? Finally! I love the bike! And that! Yo man, you good? Yeah, mate. I thought you was gonna be at the pre-ride. I was waiting for the rollers, mate. Oh, everyone's gonna, why you got your helmet on? Why you keeping your helmet on? I want to be f***ing inconspicuous. Do it from a key or from like the...
I've got a key fob, but you put it in the ignition. See it's tucked at the minute.
What's this?
Battery for this camera. So that's untucked the plate. So by the switch key on the left hand side, you've got a little black button.
Oh yeah. What? That's mad. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. Cool, I didn't even have a proper look at this last time, but you got this kitted out. What are you going for? Oh, you keeping this bike, but you changing the graphics? Big old swing arm on it, innit?
Yaki looks nice, I ain't even seen it yet.
Black Republic.
When she goes, do you wheelie it? He was like, yeah. She was like, no.
There's the wheelie motivation right there. Cool, have a look at that. Pressure's on, I know this guy. Gotta get a good one.
Why is he not wheeling then?
That's the gringo. Yo man, how are you? No, and there's one of these as well. Look. This thing is mental though. Here he is. How are you?
Welcome back, brother.
Oh, thank you. This is Ducati boys over here. You getting much seat time in lately or what? You seem like you're just so busy all the time.
Trying to go out like once a week.
Yeah.
You know, it's like business and family. It's
Thank
fun.
you. She thinks it's mine. It's flipping aggressive, innit? Look how low them clip-ons are. Oh, that's light, innit? That is mad. How the hell do you reach your kickstand?
Oh, mate, it's such a pain in the arse. It's got a little knobbly bit.
Oh, okay.
Screw to get down.
Oh, yeah, I can see that, yeah. Mate, this is f***ing clean, isn't it? Oh, yeah, get a nice little picture. I've got anxiety to put this down. Where is that thing?
There you go, done.
Cool. That is so sketchy putting down one of them.
Bring him with you.
Oh, I didn't bring him! Oh! Next time. I didn't realise that was yours. When I spoke to you last time you was here, until I see you on Instagram, I was thinking, is that the guy? Is that the guy? Take it for a little whip.
Don't crash it, 'cause it's expensive.
Oh, f it, here we go. You miss 100% of tits you don't miss or some shit like that. Why is it not moving right now?
So on a hill, when you press that again, you get your hill brake in it.
Oh,
So
flipping
you don't have
hell.
to use your foot brake on a hill. So you just pull it in and pull it again, disengage it.
Pull it in and pull it again.
Yeah.
How does it engage?
What's that?
Do I need to worry about it right
No,
now?
no. So if you're on a hill at all, whenever you press the front brake and you're stationary, it will come up with the H, so you'll see it in it. Look.
That's indicators.
Boom. And then you just disengage it like that.
Oh yeah. Right, where the f is the foot pegs? Oh my days, this is mad. Alright, cool. Hold on, I'm in brake. I've got parking brake on. How do I go?
What, even how to get off the hill brake? Pull it again.
Literally, pop it again.
Oh,
Yeah,
I've got to put it further in. Alright, it's not in it now, is it? Alright. I won't crash. Just going for a quick spin, mate. Oh, hello. That's neutral. Which way should I go? Oh, the bars are there. I'm miles off. Oh my god, first ride on the S1K, lads. I bet you I'm... Oh, I'm not doing the speed limit. Yo, this is fast. I'm not even doing anything. Jesus Christ. I don't know why I gave him the gayest wave. How would you flip your license plate on this? Fuck on us. That front gets light. I wish I could see how cool I looked right now. Bratlife.co.uk, guys. Hope that said 40 and not 30. Oh, flipping hell. Happy I put my foot down. It's like no turning circle at all. Alright. Let's have a little look at this. When you see the red online in these bikes, just in any bike, it never really hits unless it's a Ducati. But when you see the red in person, it's so clean. Can't really like tell you too much about it because one, I don't know what the f is going on. Two, how am I supposed to test this bike? That shift is so smooth though. That's about all I can do. Get to the speed limit really, really quickly. I'm gonna get a sick picture on this when I get back. I hope he's got his cameras in his hands. Oh, he's only got one, but I hope he's got his camera in his hands. Yeah, if I owned one of these, it would be a problem. I've always wondered what it'd be like to wheelie one of these bikes. Alright, don't pull out, mate. sound insane. Flipping hell. Make sure there's no indicator on. Where's my picture? Where's my picture? He's not there. Bike's f***ing mental, mate. This is the road, is it? Huh? What's wrong with you? Are you got a problem with your spatial awareness? Suck my